If you know Andi, you know she's approachable and incredibly personable. Andi has an energy that vibrates love and abundance. It fills empty spaces and a smile that lights up a room. I love and admire her wittiness, sense of humor, self-confidence, genuine soul, and best of all, her contagious laugh.
Andrea, you are a perfect addition to our family. You complete my brother in so many ways. You got yourself a good one, Andrea, a God-loving man. He's hardworking, loyal, smart. I have no doubt that he'll be a great husband to you and an amazing father to your children someday too.
It has been truly incredible to watch Andi find the man who is her perfect complement. Andi and Junior both have a caring demeanor, a genuine heart, compassionate and kind. Junior, when you two are together, love radiates. It is authentic and it is truly infectious. I'm so grateful you have found each other and you love her unconditionally. You two are an inspiration and proof that a once-in-a-lifetime kind of love does exist.
Andrea, your dad's looking down at you right now. He's amazed. I know a tear's coming out of his eyes, just looking at you, seeing his little girl grow up to be such a wonderful, beautiful woman that you become. Junior, I know Tony. As little Tony said, Tony had a big heart. And what I've seen of you and known of you, you have that same heart that her dad has.
May the good Lord hear you this evening, always send you grace and help from heaven. May He grant you your heart's desire and fulfill every one of your prayers. The Lord has made the two of you unique, unrepeatable, irreplaceable, precious, amazing. May then this love grow deeper and stronger as the years go by.
I, Adolfo, take you, Andrea, to be my wife.
I, Andrea, take you, Adolfo, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you, in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health.
To love you and honor you all the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
I want to present you this newly married couple in Christ, Mr. and Mrs. Adolfo and Andrea Montaño. Felicidades, congratulations.
I think this is the most beautiful wedding I've ever been a part of. I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but I know when God is in something, and I just felt His presence just all over that ceremony.
I am just so excited for all the memories that our families are going to create and for what the future holds for you two. May your life be filled with love and happiness. Salute.
I have no doubt that the best is yet to come, and your lives are unfolding exactly as it's meant to be.